Everyone, dinner is served. I give you garlic, chicken parmesan, fettuccine macaroni. Another in a series of delicious dishes, of many to come. Spicy marinara sauce, garlic, parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, herbs de Provence, cilantro, parsley, basil, oregano, marjoram, rosemary, thyme, black pepper. Extremely good. What can I say? I'm at an absence and a lack of words, other than the fact that it was just phenomenal. And to make it all better, it was an extremely fun dish to make. And it was definitely one of my many comfort foods growing up as a Generation Xer. Everyone, enjoy.